Ang naging biyang Shopee ka khubor khabayadi bat ka BSF SI recruitment arjar absaw ha kaba nakalyang jong ka staff selection commission apply hadu praspa khnai pho atli ki vacancies lani ki post ha kabayadi bat kishan rang bat ki kentai to menta parlo ngin ya pule ya gani ka notification ha kaba nakalyang jong ka SSC kalapan bana bat pila ban page lut ya kani ka video hadu ban akut pin tip ya karukom ban apply ya kani ka post. Staff Selection Commission is going to recruit 892 vacancies for the post of Sub-Inspector in Border Security Force BSF in the BSF SI Recruitment 2024 through SSC. There will be 845 posts for male candidate and 45 posts for female candidate. So mentang ini page ya kucing batai ke berbenia sepang kani ka vacancy jong ka BSF SI jong kesenian arjar apsau te perlu subhawan nam skip ngin ya pule ya kani ka jingpan bana khanang bangin tip kumno bangin apply ya kini ki post ki bapher ngin page yang ni perlu bagi don hadu pras pakhnai pu atli ki post lani ki vacancies na kamenta ki meals ki don hadu laispa sopatli ki post jong ki unreserved prapusantli na kamenta ki EWS lana economically weaker section arspa arpnaitli na kamenta ki OBC lana other backward classes chispa arpnyo na kamenta ki schedule caste patndrup saw na kamenta ki schedule tribe. For female candidates don hadu substantially ki vacancies khatpratli na ki unreserved santali na ki EWS khatratli na ki OBC new na ki SC ban line na ki ST ban laan langru khandai photli ki vacancies ki ba reserve na ki ex serviceman na ki hunjong ki ex serviceman la khala don hadu khandai photli ki post te ngai perlo pla suthu ya kitu ki number of post te nakamta jungi ki ST deke for meals ki don hadu chispa arpunyo tuli ki post nakamta ki females pada ki don nyo tuli ki post nakamta ki kerdan puli jungi pada ki longkumni educational qualification candidate must possess a bachelor degree from a recognized university or its equivalents. Those who have appeared in their bachelor degree or equivalent examination are also eligible, provided they acquire the essential qualification by the cut-off date, which is 1st of August 2024. So degree recognition, degrees obtained through open and distant learning modes from recognized universities are accepted, subject to approval by the Distant Education Bureau or University Grants Commission. Ban pensutu EP kalong ba kinu ki bala dep ya ka bachelor degree pila ban apply ya kani post ban la ailat ro ikitu ki barang don hapling ke jingpuli ban kila ban pendep ya kata ke jingpuli ke jongki hadu ka final exam ka ban hadu ke shitarik banai bapra raja rapsau di shwa ketika tarik pila dei ban pendep ya ka exam ke jongpi. Age limit. The age limit for candidate applying for the BSF SI recruitment varies according to the category. However, generally candidates should be between 20 to 25 years of age as of 1st of August 2024. Age relaxation is applicable for candidates belonging to reserved categories as per government norms. So these are the BSF SI recruitment fiscal standard 2024. So the BSF SI recruitment 2024 sets specific fiscal standards for candidates aiming to join the border security force. That is for the male candidates, minimum height required 170 centimeter. So the height of the male should be 170 centimeter. Chest measurement 80 centimeter and expanded and 85 centimeter expanded. Candidates from specified hill areas have the relaxed height requirement of 165 cm. Scheduled tribe candidates have a further relaxed height requirement of 162.5 cm with chest measurement 77 cm unexpanded and 82 cm expanded. Kata kemun ki non apply lani ki candidate ki bala ban apply ya kini post BSF SI kin day nadu kasnem arpho hadu arpsan snem but ki day ban dap arpsan snem shwa ka shitarik nai bapra arjar arpsau nangta nakbta ka fiscal standard ka jing theu jung ki pane nakbta ki male candidates ka jing jong ki kanong chispa nyo pho centimeter nangta ka shadem jung ki kan day prapo expand and unexpanded but prapsan centimeter expanded but nakbanta ki hill areas pane ki brigi bashong sa ki hill areas ka jingtheu jungki la pandunan khandet kan dei chispan rupusan centimeter but nakbanta ki scheduled tribes pane nang kham panduna susu ya ka jingjrong ya ka jingtheu jungki ha kabai dei bat ka jingjrong kata kan dei no tang chispan rupu ar point san centimeter but ka chest jungki kan dei hinyu centimeter but prapu ar centimeter. For female candidates, minimum height requirement can be 157 centimeter. No chest measurement for female candidates. And the female candidate from specified hill areas have a relaxed height requirement of 155 centimeter. Scheduled tribe female candidates have a minimum height requirement of 154 centimeter. And the BSF SI recruitment application fees to 2024. So these are the application fees. So the application fees for BSF SI recruitment 2024 is 100 rupees. However, women candidate and candidates belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and ex-servicemen eligible for a reservation and exempted from paying the fee. The fee can be paid only through online modes such as BHIM, UPI net banking, or by using Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, or Rupee credit or debit card. The last date for online payment fees is 29 of March 2024. Hang ne pade nakaliang jongki kan te pade ka jing jrong jongki kan dei chis pa san punyo centimeter but don kam jing theu ya ka shadem jingki nangta ya ki candidates ki basa ki hill areas kan dei kan panduna no ya ka jing theu jingki ha ka jing jrong ka badei no tang chis pa san centimeter but nakabanta ki scheduled tribes female pade kan dei no tang chis pa san pusau centimeter but nakabanta ka by application pade kan long kumne nakabanta ka application fee kan dei no tang chispa tangka nakabanta ki in general henry nakabanta ki kenthe lane yakini ki scheduled castes but ki scheduled tribes lane ki ex servicemen anum don kam bansiu ya kane ka application fee but pila bansiu ya kane ka application fee tang longba ka online mode kata longba ka ba pius da UBHIM lane UPI lane net banking lane da ka Visa Mastercard Maestro or Rupee credits or debit cards but ka jingsiu ya kani ka application fee ka ba khadu kan dei hadu ka arp khnai tarik banai balai lane banai march arajar arpsau. BSF SI Recruitment Selection Process 2024. The BSF SI Recruitment 2024 selection process comprises several stages. Number 1, eligibility check. Ensure candidate meet educational, age, and physical standards. Number 2, computer-based examination. Conduct paper 1 and paper 2 covering various subjects. Number 3, physical standard test PST and physical endurance test PET assess physical fitness. Number 4, details medical examination or DME evaluates medical fitness. Number 5, merit-based selection, final selection based on performance in exams and tests. Number 6. Bonus marks for NCC certificate holders, extra marks awarded. Number 7. Tattoos, regulation, and other eligibility criteria ensure compliance. Nakabanta ban jiet ya ki candidate pade kaban kong kandi ban pentikna ya kasnem bad ya ka jingnang jing start jungki kabar pade ban yale ya ka exam jungki da ka computer based examination kata baro atliki paper 1 but paper 2 ban atheu ya ka physical standard test lane bat ka endurance test ban yo ya ka medical examination certificate lane ban le ya ka final or performance in exams and tests nangta la ai bonus marks ru na kamta kini ki NCC certificates holder nangta la khang prasha ru ya kinu ki badro ya ki tatu ha kamet ka phat chunki. The BSF SI recruitment application process for 2024 entails candidates visiting the official SSC website and completing the online application, including uploading a clear photograph as per specification. They must pay the application fee of Rs 100 online exam for certain categories and review and correct application details during the specified correction window. Candidates should ensure accuracy before final submission. Noting that fee once paid are non-refundable. Monitoring application status can be done through the provided link on the SSC website. So official website of Staff Selection Commission is www.ssc.gov.in. So BSF candidates can go through this website of the SSC notification 2024. Kumno bapin apply pade ya kani ka post BSF SI phla banle direct na ka official website jong ka Staff Selection Commission lane ssc.gov.in ban phila ru ban siu ya kani ka by application fee ka ba shispa tangka ban light no tang kitu ki category ki bala jerkateng menne shakman but kumjuru la pentikna ya kinu ki candidates ki ba shwaban submit ya ka application pin sobha ban check ya ki kerteng bat pila ru ban check bha ya ki jingdon kam jung pi bat kumjuru pi ban upload ya ka photograph jung pi ka ba shai ban la karpat ru ya ki candidates ba pin sobha ban da check ban ya ki spelling ya ki kerteng ya ki tarik ha jung pi bat kiwi de ban na ka banta ka jingtip ba khambane phila ban late na ka ne ka official website jong ka Staff Selection Commission ka ba sabu ha ka description box hapo